Hey everyone, this is Bicky here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how a person made $40,000 and how other people are making $1,000 per day with this high ticket affiliate program. Okay, so guys, if I show you here, this person by the name of Catherine, she made $1,000 commission. So as you can see, sent you $1,000. So the company, she got this $1,000 commission, and she has just blurred the name of the company. I'm going to show you what this system is and how it works. Okay, and here is one more person by the name of Paulo. He has made total about $44,000. Okay, as you can see, 44,000, $1,500, and ready to pay $2,000. He about to get this paid out. Okay, and here is another person by the name of Ari. He got this $1,000 commission recently. Okay, so these are the commissions, guys. All these people are receiving from this high ticket affiliate marketing program, and these are the results from the private Facebook group. So I'm just showing you the results that these people are getting from this high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, and here is another person by the name of Jeffrey. He made, he says, ended up $3,680 yesterday. So yesterday, guys, he made about $3,000, $3,680. Okay, as you can see here, $800 commissions, $1,600 commission, $80, $400. So all these commissions, guys, are coming from this high ticket affiliate system that I'm going to show you. Okay, so as you can see, guys, all these people are making $1,000, $3,000, $2,000. Okay, but now the question is how much I have made personally from this program. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how I have made. Okay, so guys, this is the one of the income stream inside the system. Okay, and from just one income stream, guys, I have made about $158,000. Okay, $158,000 I have made from this one income stream inside the system. And this is not to brag something, but this is just to show you what is possible with this high ticket affiliate marketing system. Okay, so now, guys, you might be thinking how this works. Okay, and how you can get started and make commissions like these people and like me, right? So basically, if I show you guys here, look, basically this is an automated system. Okay, this is a automated high ticket system, and what happens is, once you have the system, okay, you send traffic, to your automated system. It's a done for you system, which means that you have pre-made landing pages. Okay, the system sends the email follow-up as well, so you don't need to make your own landing pages. Okay, you don't need to make websites. The system already provides you landing pages. Okay, so once you send traffic to this automated system, the system has 4 different income streams. So that traffic interacts with all the 4 income streams, and they sign up, and then you get sales from all these 4 different income streams. Okay, so now let me take you to the system and show you how it works and how you can get started. Okay, so okay, guys, this is this high ticket affiliate marketing system. Okay, and if you just want to take action right now, you can simply just skip this video. Okay, and go ahead, click the link from description, and you can create your account. As you can see here, it says $49 per month. Okay, so it's a $49 per month on the front end funnel. Okay, and you will click I'm ready, set up my system. Then you're gonna put your name, email, password, username, and you will click on create my account. So what will happen after that? You're gonna land on the dashboard of the system. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the system, guys, and here you will land after creating account on it. Okay, now look at this, guys. Here is the step 1. So obviously you're gonna watch this video and join the private Facebook group that I just show you. The results are from those private Facebook group. Okay, now you're gonna click on step 2. So here is the thing, here is all those income streams. Okay, click on step 2. Okay, here is all those four income streams. Okay, this is the income stream number 1, the $49 you just paid. So that $49 is the funnel itself, and which pays $20 per month. It's a recurring commission. And then it comes the second income stream, which is the easy one up. Okay, the easy one up, the commissions which I made, this one is from the second income streams. Okay, so here guys, you will click here and you will create your account. Okay, and similarly you will go to step number 3, income stream number 4, and you will watch this video and you will create account on it. Okay, so once you have set up all the income streams, okay, then what you're gonna do, you're gonna send traffic. Okay, like you just saw here, you gotta send traffic, right, to your automated system. So guys, what happens after you have created your account, this is your affiliate link. Okay, at the top you're gonna click link here, as you can see, and look at this. Here they provide you, you get pre-made landing pages. Okay, like if I click here, okay, if I click here, so these are your affiliate link guys. Okay, these are your affiliate links. Now if you go on this, look at this, this is your affiliate link. Okay, you're gonna send traffic to this and you're gonna make commissions, you're gonna make sales. These are your affiliate link. So they provide you these landing pages which are pre-made, so you don't have to make your own landing pages. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you just gonna copy this affiliate link. Okay, and you just gonna send traffic to your affiliate link, so that once you have sent traffic, okay, just ignore this message which says closed, because this was some promotion going on. Okay, some special type of sales, so the sale has ended, that's why they have typed here closed. So anyway, you're gonna take your affiliate link from here. Okay, and then you're gonna send traffic, and that's how you're gonna make commissions guys. Okay, and sending traffic I will explain in next video, how to send the traffic and how you can send traffic to make those commissions. Basically guys, this system has internal traffic source as well. So as you can see, income stream number 4 called Traffic Authority, they have internal traffic source which sends traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so that's why I call it a done for you system. It has everything. Okay, it has different income streams, it has pre-made landing page, it has traffic source inside it. That's why I call it done for you system. So I will explain later in the video, in some other video, how to send traffic and all those things. So for now guys, if you really wanna make commissions like these people, okay, $2,000, $1,000, $1,000, $3,000. So if you want to make commissions like these guys, okay, what I would recommend is go ahead, okay, go ahead, click the link from the description and create your account on this system. Okay, so that you can get access to this automated system and you can make money from these 4 different income streams and make commissions like me and all these people. Okay, this is one of the best program that I have been working on in recent times, because it pays you big commissions, $1,000, $2,000. So let's say if you just get 5 sale, 10 sale a month, that would be 5k, 10k a month, right? So yeah guys, this was a quick video on this automated system, on this done for you system. So go ahead, I'm gonna put the link in the description, create your account and see you inside.